In Cape Town this morning as community members questioned the circumstances surrounding 3-year-old Courtney Peters' death. The suspect arrested for her murder made a brief appearance in court today. The toddler's death shocked the country, even prompting the president to visit the family. Peters' body was found in an industrial area after she'd been missing for more than a week.
The 3-year-old's death united the Elsies River community. Young and old rallied around the family. But there appears to have been a shift. Outside court today, residents accused community leaders and the family of not telling the truth.
Where was she when we were looking for Courtney? We had our hands dirty looking for her. She was in Manenberg. Now she wants to come here and talk.
She knows nothing. She must keep quiet.
Courtney had been raped before she was killed. The alleged murderer was her father's friend and lived in their house.
Personally, and she said it yesterday when she heard all the stories, she was very angry. She said, I never liked Mortimer. Mortimer was never my friend. Well, fair enough, he was Aaron's friend, Courtney's father's friend from childhood. But me and him never had a relationship. And so why is people saying all this stuff?
The suspect made a brief appearance in court. The case has been postponed to the 24th of August for DNA, forensic tests and witness statements. The alleged perpetrator will remain in custody. Nomawethu Sorwandle, SABC News, Cape Town.
Former top investigative officer